going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Won't Let Go by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you do, click the little notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. So I'll show you two ways how to play this song. One is the kind of palm muted guitar part that you actually hear in the song. The other one is just a way that you can strum through some chords. Starting with the palm muting part, if you don't know what palm muting is, you take the fleshy part of your hand here and just set that on the bridge of your guitar. That way when you strum, you get this kind of punchy, muted kind of sound. Now you're starting by just picking your A and your D string at the same time, and you're just holding down the second fret on your D string with your index finger. That's going to be your version of an A power chord. Next, you're going to this version of a B power chord. I use my index and my pinky, but some people use their index and their ring. Whatever feels comfortable for you, by all means. But it's 2 and 4, 2 on the A string, and then 4 on the D string. That's your version of a B minor chord, power chord. Then move that same formation up to 5 on the A string and 7 on the D string. That's your version of a D power chord. And then move that same formation down to 3 on the low E string and 5 on the A string. That's your version of a G power chord. Now the way you're going to be palm muting through this, it's going to be constant, just downstrokes for your palm muting. You're starting on your A power chord and you're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then go to your B minor, 1 and 2 and. D major power chord, 3 and 4 and. Then to your G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All together it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We'll do that one more time for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now that pattern just repeats throughout the entire song. You can play that or you can strum through the chords. I'll show you how to play those as well. You're going to start with just a full A major chord. It's going to be 0 0 2 2 2 0. And then go to your B minor. It's 0 2 4 4 3 2. D major 0 0 0 2 3 2. And then G major, 3 2 0 0 3 3. Now once you got those chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.